Now that you have your plan that is laid down, now you need to rehearse next. So if I'm supposed to talk to that person, what could go wrong? So how should I say things? What is the tone that I should take? If it's a very sensitive subject, just like body odor, and you want to communicate to somebody that they don't smell good, how should you present the idea? How should be your level? What should be your level of empathy? What are the words you need to use? And if you don't care about hurting somebody's feelings, you can just go ahead and say whatever you want to say. But if you want to preserve the relationship and make sure that you want to honor that person and make sure that they still keep their ego intact, kind of, you need to rehearse. You need to know the best way to communicate the idea. And if things go wrong, if the person is so hurt that now they don't want to talk to you, you have to be okay with that. And so you need to anticipate everything. Yes, I know, sometimes you just need to go with the flow, but because it's a difficult situation, you have to think about all the possible outcomes. So make sure you think about that. You make sure you rehearse, and if you really want to preserve the person's ego, make sure that you choose your words wisely, because you don't want to hurt them.